I'm going to show you how to do the K1uls. It is a knit one under loops. So all that means we're going to pick up these two loops that you see across the work. You're going to pick these two loops up, and you're going to knit it with the stitch as indicated in the pattern. So let me show you how we do this. We're going to knit as indicated in your pattern, and then it's going to say knit 1 ULS. So we've got to knit the following stitch but under the loops. So you take your needle, you push it in underneath those two loops, and then you pick up your stitch to be knitted. Then we're actually going to knit, yarn around and knit and pull it through the stitch as well as those two loops, and then you drop your stitch off the needle. So let me show you once more. You knit as indicated in the pattern, and then it says K1uls. So we got to knit one stitch under the loops. So you go in underneath those loops. You don't need to worry if they twist a little bit, they'll sort themselves out. So you go under the loops, and then you're going to knit the following stitch. So yarn around, pull it through the stitch as well as through those two loops, and then you drop it off the needle. And you can see it's actually forming a V pattern across your work. So let me show you once more. You knit as indicated in your pattern, and then it says K1uls. We've got to knit the next stitch underneath. So we go underneath, pick up those two loops into your next stitch to be knitted, yarn around, pull it through the stitch on the needle as well as the two loops, and then you drop it off. And that is how you do a knit one under loop stitch.